Hello friends and welcome back to Prajwalita's kitchen. Today let's make a heart-shaped cake with a dripping gel. So let's start. Take 1 cup of vanilla cake premix. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add half cup of water in 2 equal parts. Give it a nice mix. Batter must be of a flowing consistency. Now grease a mold with the oil or a butter. Transfer the batter into it. And tap it for 3 to 4 times. Bake the cake in a preheated oven for 40 to 45 minutes at 180 degree. Till then, let's make an icing cream. Take 1 cup of whipping cream, add 2 to 3 drops of vanilla essence. Beat it for 7 to 8 minutes till soft peaks are formed on the cream. And our cream is beat perfectly. Transfer this into a piping bag. Now take a 2 teaspoons of neutral glaze. Add 2 to 3 drops of color. Give it a nice mix and transfer it into piping bag. And transfer it into a piping bag. Now cake is ready and it is also baked perfectly. Let it cool completely before demolding. So our soft spongy cake is ready for the decoration. Cut the cake into 2 equal parts. And now keep one part of the cake on a base. Cover it with the help of cream, spread it evenly and nicely. Add 2 teaspoons of strawberry crush and you can use your favorite crush here. Now place another part of cover the whole cake with the cream nicely. So our crumb coat is done. Now cover the half cake with the red shell as shown from the upper side. and give the dripping effect from the edges as shown. Now with the help of 1M nozzle, make a border design. And with the same nozzle, make flowers on an upper surface. I'm sorry I have forgot to shoot this part, but it is very simple. Now make a heart shape with the gel as shown from the upper side and the edges. Also make a small flowers at the edges. And here we go, our simple drip gel with a nice design heart shape is ready. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!